Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80070bc2 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It says that there were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And then again, it says that error code 0x80070bc2. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve this problem. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best match, come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select other troubleshooters on the right side. And then underneath most frequent, and then Windows Update, select the Run button. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and I would suggest restarting your computer. And there you go, guys. Once that's done, I would suggest going ahead and checking for updates. So go ahead and open up the search menu, type in update, check for updates, go ahead and open that up. And then proceed to go ahead and check for some updates. And if there's anything available, go ahead and download and install them. And that should hopefully be able to resolve your problem. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.